Honorable Founder Chairman, respected Administrator, respected Principal, and all my dear teachers. Namaste to you all. I am Lalit Kumar GB, the captain of the school. I am extremely pleased to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day on behalf of the student community of the school. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the faith that gives us strength to live is the teacher. So, it is one of the best occasions for all the students to express their deep gratitude to their teachers. The students of our school, including the passed out students, have expressed their deep sense of gratitude to their teachers by the way of dancing, singing, speech, etc. I hope you enjoy the performance of the students. Thank you one and all.
Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend, you are my role model. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you teacher, I bless you teacher, I thank you teacher for everything. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers.
Good day everyone, my name is Hari from class 1st B section. I wish Happy Teachers Day to all my beloved teachers through this greeting crafted by me. Thank you one and all.
Teachers and my dear friends, today we are celebrating Teachers Day. Friends, you know why we are celebrating Teachers Day? Because former President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Sir's birthday. We must thank all our teachers who are helping us to study.
Teachers for everything. I love you teachers. I praise you teachers. I thank you teachers for everything. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you everyone, thank you so much. Teachers, you are the best.
Happy Teachers Day. My name is Nivedya. Kalisu Guruve Kalisu Kalisu Sadguruve ni Kalisu Sullina naduve nan satyavanaadalu Kalisu Swarthada naduve ni swarthiyadanu Kalisu ಅಂಚಿತದವರವರಿಗೆ ವೀರನಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ದರೆಯ ದುಷ್ಟರ ನಡುವೆ ಜಾಣಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು
ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವೆನ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ಕಲಿಸು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಗುರುದೇವೋ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಗುರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಸ್ಮೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರವೇ ನಮಃ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. Everyone, I am Moksha, second standard C section. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. My favorite ma'am is Lakshmi ma'am. I wrote acrostic in her name. A for loving, A for awesome, K for kind, H for soft heart, H for hardworking, M for marvelous, for intelligent teacher. I wrote few sentences about her. Thank you all.
Good morning to all respected teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank my class teachers for giving me a wonderful opportunity to speak. Friends, today 5th of September and this day we celebrate Teachers Day every year with great joy and happiness. 5th of September is birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಪ ಪ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ. ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಬಾಯಿಲಿ. ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಬಾಯಿಲಿ. ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಪ ಪ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ. ಬೆಟ್ಟ ತಪ್ಪಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಣುಕು ಹುಳುವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೆಟ್ಟ ತಪ್ಪಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಣುಕು ಹುಳುವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ. ತೂರಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗಿದೆ ತೂರಿ ತೂರಿ ಸಾಗಿದೆ. ತೂರಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗಿದೆ ತೂರಿ ತೂರಿ ಸಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಸಾ ಪ ಪ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ.
We will learn the Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day to all.
First, I wish you happy Teachers' Day to all my beloved teachers. Today, September 5, is birthday of great teachers Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He born with poor and died with noble person. It happened all because of our teachers. Teacher is a noble personality in the universe. We salute such great teachers. Teacher, there is a request in our friends and parents. Please pray for teachers and pay for teachers. Thank you one and all.
I wish you very happy Teachers' Day. I made a beautiful greeting for your teachers. Thank you for being a great teacher. You have helped my mind as big as I hope these flowers do for you. Without you, we would be lost. Thank you, teachers, for guiding us. Make us to learn. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
अखंड मंडलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Dedicated to all my loving teachers. Thank you.
Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September, the birthday of former President and Bharat Ratna Award recipient Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a well-known scholar, teacher and promoter of education. On this special day, we must thanks to all teachers who are striving hard in pandemic. Our schools are closed, but studies are going on. It's only because of teachers. Thank you very much, teachers.
Madeva, 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 Madeva. ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜಿ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂಡು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ.
A very, very good morning to my principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today's day is a special day where we can pay our tribute to our dear teachers who make untiring effort to build our future. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of India. He was also a great scholar and a teacher. Teachers play a big role in building the character of students. Teachers prepare us to face the challenges in life.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I wish you very happy Teachers' Day.
September 5th is the birthday of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a teacher and he became a second president of India in 1962. It is truly said that the teachers are base in our society. Dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' orders and follow their advices. Thank you to all.
Day by day, you watch me how I grow. Step by step, with your knowledge that is so. Right from wrong, you guide me in the way. For you are the reason of what I am today. So happy, 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 happy Teacher's Day. I love and care and smile and sing in that way.
Wish you all happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It's the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna RSP, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president, he was a great scholar and excellent teacher. Teachers are backbone of our society. Teachers, dear friends, you should always obey our teachers' orders and follow their advice. One more time, happy Teachers Day to all of you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah.
ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವೆ ನಾ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು
Good day everybody. My name is Shishira from 5th Standard A section. I wish Happy Teachers Day to all my beloved teachers through this greeting crafted by me. Thank you very much.
I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers are the spark, the inspiration, the guide and the candle to the student's life. Teachers are also like the second parents. They pave the path to the student's life. In Sanskrit, it is rightly mentioned that teachers are also like God. Finally, I conclude by saying those words. Gurudevo Bhava. Thank you.
Our teachers are very kind of helpful to us always. My teacher is very sweet and just like a mother to me. Teaching is one of the humblest jobs to every exit. Children show their Teachers' Day is express their love. Once again, happy Teachers' Day, all my lovely teachers. Thank you so much.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Teachers should be the best minds of our country. Teaching is the best profession which teaches all other profession. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day to give a great honor for the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that it's moving in a right way and we are in a right path.
Happy Teachers' Day, happy day. I greet you, teachers. I thank you, teachers. I praise you, teachers, for everything. I greet you, teachers. I thank you, teachers. I praise you, teachers, for everything. Happy Teachers' Day, happy Teachers' Day, happy Teachers' Day, happy day. Roku Guradoni, Benkia onegaishimasu, Puridensio Public School, hi onegaishimasu. Watashi no sensei ga nigai desu yo. Watashi wa sensei ga daisuki desu. Shoshita senaimasu. Sensei ni hi onegaishimasu. Arigato. Wondering what I said? I was speaking Japanese. I learned Japanese in the lockdown. I said that my name is Anushka. I am studying in 6th standard in the Presidency Public School. I wish that all my teachers are happy and safe. Happy Teachers' Day!
First of all, I'll wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. A teacher presents the past, reveals the present and clears the future. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. सबको शिक्षा देने वाले हमारा गुरु वो प्यारे हैं. सबको शिक्षा देने वाले हमारा गुरु वो प्यारे हैं. हम सब उनके पुत्र ना सही, फिर भी उनके दुलारे हैं. हम सब उनके पुत्र ना सही, फिर भी उनके दुलारे हैं.
Good morning to one and all. Today is an auspicious occasion where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of the teachers who mold students into future leaders. This day is known as the Teachers' Day. It is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the second president of independent India, who himself was a teacher, philosopher and educationist. Teachers are the pillars of a country. They guide and shape the destiny of the students. They teach them to become better human beings. Teachers like S. Radhakrishnan and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam are some of the renowned names that have given meaning to the word teacher. I take privilege in wishing all the mentors in the school and across the country a very happy Teachers' Day.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारों, इस देश का यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी में.
Namaste to all my lovely teachers. I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
There is a light in the world, in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength and to survive is our teacher. Today is Teachers' Day. That day are kept aside to the honor to make sure that the teacher who works for the pride of Happy Teachers' Day for all my dear teachers. You are a teacher for the world. You are a teacher for the world, but for the students, you are a star. Thank you.
situation also. They say they teach us, we interact with them, and finally we are studying at this critical situation also. So this September 5th Teachers Day is a very special day to all teachers, and I wish all teachers a very happy Teachers Day, and thank you all teachers for guiding me until this level. Thank you.
First, I would like to wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. Teachers, a very good morning to the respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. We all have gathered here today to celebrate the Teachers' Day. Teachers take the tireless efforts to build our futures. Teachers' Day celebrated on 5th September every year. 5th September is the birthday anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of India. He was a great soldier and a teacher.
Teachers are the backbone of our society. They spearhead by changing the student's personality and make him the ideal citizens of the nation. There is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents.
Namaste children, welcome back to my session. In the last class, we were studying about the changes in the world around us. For example, when we break a chalk, it's called physical change. Namaste children, in this class, we will learn a little bit of biology. A book is made up of thousands of pages. What is living thing made up of? Namaste children, I am Prem Kumar, your physical education teacher. Today I demonstrate aerobics. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, change.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. To the world, you may be just a teacher, but your student, you are a hero. Due to the coronavirus, we the students are wishing our teachers virtually.
I wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. This is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of India. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a teacher and became president of India in 1962. Dear friends, we should obey our teacher order to be a well-qualified citizens in India. Thank you. Once again, happy Teachers' Day.
I wish a happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. As Joyce Meyer is rightly quoted that teachers can change the life of the students with just the correct mixture of the chalk and challenges. A beacon of light in the dark which gives me the hope and strength to survive is our teachers. The art of teaching is the art of assisting the discovery. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor our beautiful souls who work day and night to make sure that our future is the best.
Here is a tribute to all our dear teachers. We never clapped for them from our balconies and didn't light a candle for their services. Unlocking passion during the lockdown, our teachers are attempting different ways to deliver lessons. Reaching out to their students, inspiring hard work remotely, instilling hope that anything is possible. Watch these unsung heroes of the crisis as they stay connected with their students. Thank you, dear teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
They don't teach us only subjects and languages. They teach us good manners and life skills. They help us to develop confidence in us, in our life. They also help us to improve our natural talents. We can't ignore
We can't ignore their efforts. I salute them for their sacrifices on behalf of my friends. I salute them for guiding.
Firstly, I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. A teacher is a noble profession that shapes out a character, caliber, and a future of an individual. My dear teacher, I salute for your creativity, for your dedication, and for your passion. Once again, I wish all my lovely teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September with lot of joy, happiness and enthusiasm. This day gives us the opportunity to express our love and gratitude to the teachers. 5th September is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan to show our love and gratitude to the teachers for their valuable contribution. Teachers do deserve this tribute and contribution for their genuine efforts, patience, and positive encouragement.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Good morning to the respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish all the teachers a happy Teachers' Day. Teachers, who are also known as the second parents and the guiding masters in our career. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Thank you.
The way you care, the knowledge you share, the love you shower has immense power. You work hard with optimism, dear teachers, you are awesome. Thank you teachers for making us for what we are today. If there were no teachers, no other professions would exist in this world. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers and educators out here. It's a very big blessing to have you all.
Teacher may forget what you say, but they'll not forget how you made them feel. Teaching a kid to count is fine, but teaching them what counts is best. There's no one quite like a special teacher, and no teacher quite as special as you. I wish all my lovely teachers a happy Teachers' Day.
Today is a special day for all of us, where we can pay a hearty tribute to our dear teachers, who take entire effort to build our future. Education is the most powerful weapon with which you can change the world. Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5th with lots of joy and happiness. September 5th is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers teach us selflessly and treat us as their own children. Hence, we should respect teachers. They are the backbone of society.
Celebrating Teachers' Day in school is one of the most finest memories from our school days. Without any doubt, everyone will agree for it. Beginning to prepare to surprise our teachers will be with all the decorations, essays, speeches is an event that make a mark in our memory. Every teacher for selfless services and dynamic support. We are grateful to all our teachers.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers.
ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು
ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಸದ್ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ ಕಲಿಸು ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ನಡುವೆ ಸತ್ಯವನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ನಡುವೆ ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಲು ಕಲಿಸು ಕಲಿಸು ಗುರುವೇ ನೀ
A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Namaste everybody. I am Tirtha E of 10th A. First of all, I would like to wish all my dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day. I take it aside to honor all the gifted souls who work for us every day to make sure the future is bright for all of us. Once again, I wish all my dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Made a gift to you all teachers. So it's a game called Minecraft. So here it is. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers, and I made it with each block. So each block looks like this. So this is a single block, and it's this big. It takes a lot of time, and I made a pixel art portrait of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. It took a lot of time to make this, so I'd like to wish a happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
सर्वद्रव्येषु विद्यैव द्रव्यमाहुरनुत्तमम् आहार्यत्वाद् नर्गत्वाद् दक्षयत्वाच्च सर्वदा. A very happy joyous Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers who have inspired my mind, instilled a love for learning in me, and ignited my imagination. Please accept this bunch of gratitude from your dear students.
A teacher encourages minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. With deep sense of gratitude, I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
I wish all my teachers a very blissful Teachers' Day.
I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers.
Wishing all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. I wish all teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Wishing all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
I wish all my teachers have a very happy Teachers' Day.
I wish a happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers.
I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
I wish happy Teachers' Day for all my teachers.
I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
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 Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
The Japanese proverb goes, better than 1,000 days of diligent study is a day with a great teacher. You have made the same feeling to come to us every time we sat in the class. Thank you, teachers. You have made learning easy to us. Thank you, teachers. You have paved the path of success with a lamp of knowledge. Thank you, teachers.
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 Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you so much to all my teachers.
teacher. T for talented. E for excellent. A for awesome. C for charming. H for helpful. E for encouraging. R for responsible. Happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers. I thank all the teachers for teaching me. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody, my name is Pramukh and I'm a student of batch 2013. When I hear the name presidency, there are thousands of reels running in my mind. And those are the moments that I cherished for the rest of my life. Presidency has been a big major part in taking decisions in my life throughout my educational career. And I would take this opportunity to thank all the teaching faculties that have taught me in presidency and making my life very successful. Also thank my parents who trusted them to put me in their hands, and I'm very glad I was in presidency under their supervision, and a very happy Teachers Day to one and all. Thank you.